Artificial intelligence has revolutionized numerous industries, presenting lucrative opportunities for individuals to generate substantial income. By leveraging the power of AI, you can unlock the potential to earn $500 a day or more. In this video, we will explore some of the best prompts that can help you achieve this financial milestone. So our first destination is the place where we call Sell the Prompts and look at all the prompts that are helping people make hundreds of dollars on a daily basis. This website is called Prompt Base. What is Prompt Base? Prompt Base is a marketplace for buying and selling quality prompts that produce the best results and save you money on API costs. So as you can see, this is the website that helps people sell prompts and make good income. The process of making your account is extremely easy and it will hardly take you a minute or two. But before we start, I think the best method is to do a little bit of research and look for the prompts that are selling the best. So for that, we will go on the marketplace. On the left side, we can see the category of model. So let's pick the top 3 best prompts of these different models one by one. Starting with ChatGPT. ChatGPT, an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, has opened up numerous opportunities for individuals to generate income by leveraging its capabilities. Writing novels. One of the most effective ways to make money with ChatGPT is through content creation. Not only can ChatGPT help you with ideas for novels, it will also create a unique story for you. You can see so many prompts here selling novels and ebooks and making good money. Boosting blog posts. Search engine optimization, SEO, plays a crucial role in driving organic traffic to websites. ChatGPT can assist in optimizing blog posts for search engines. Crafting YouTube video scripts. With ChatGPT as a creative companion, YouTubers can unlock a wealth of ideas, streamline their scripting process, and deliver compelling content to their viewers. Our next stop is Midjourney. Midjourney is a thriving online platform that provides opportunities for individuals to monetize their skills and expertise. Designing logos. From typography to color schemes, Midjourney provides the resources needed to bring brands to life. You can see on Prompt Base, people are literally selling logos and making money. Children's book illustration. By offering children's book illustration services on Midjourney, artists can connect with authors, publishers, and parents in need of engaging visuals for their stories. Designing t-shirt masterpieces. Expressing creativity through fashion has been easier with Midjourney's platform for designing unique and eye-catching t-shirts. Our next stop is DALL-E. DALL-E, the revolutionary AI-powered image generation model, has opened up a world of artistic possibilities. Creating cute stickers. Stickers have become a popular form of expression. With the power of DALL-E, the AI-powered image generation model, artists and designers can now create adorable and captivating sticker sets. Creating pro pet portraits. DALL-E brings out the essence of your furry friends in vibrant and realistic imagery. Creating stunning illustrations. DALL-E's AI-powered image generation capabilities allow artists to create intricate and stylized illustrations that can be iconized for various purposes. Our last stop is Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion offers a stable and reliable approach to wealth creation, providing individuals with opportunities to make money in a consistent and sustainable manner. Beautiful natural girls. Using Stable Diffusion's advanced computational capabilities, artists and designers can enhance their creative process by generating stunning visuals that celebrate the unique attributes and charm of AI-generated images of beautiful women. Hyper-realistic anime portraits. Stable Diffusion has opened up exciting possibilities for artists and enthusiasts to create hyper-realistic anime portraits. Professional portraits. The model leverages its computational prowess to generate intricate details, natural skin tones, and breathtaking realism, resulting in portraits that exude professionalism and elegance. So folks, these are the top 3 prompts from each model that you can focus on to make money. And just like countless people are making money on prompt-based, you can become one of them and make it a great opportunity for a passive income stream. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.